Not very many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, wiping out the intricacies associated with the decentralized environment. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost expectation, let us view a portion of the one-of-a-kind elements of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point onward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale enormously. As a credulous contestant in 2018, not very many individuals knew all about Bitcoin SV and were a little uneasy in exchanging BSV. A critical benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization extends, adding to a wonderful expansion in the quantity of diggers. Upheld by a hardy and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage, Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a cross-breed agreement system. A special element is that it can trap deceitful or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the first block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero exposure proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. A notable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This recognizable quality makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions and, simultaneously, lays out a plenty of mining roads. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment likewise present to BSV the local area benefit. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets unselfish commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV engineers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When endorsed, the designer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage additionally includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. No big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly solid. With Bitcoin dashing up to turn into a public decision in 2019, it gave force to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The amazing meeting went on with minimal amendments. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed an enormous retreat in the long stretch of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and enhanced speculation choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited obstruction at $100.28. BSV highlighted return, getting some momentum at $120.20 regardless of the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted a record-breaking high of $491.64. Notwithstanding, subsequent to hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Also, right now, it is exchanging beneath the $50 mark throughout the course of recent months. Regardless of variances, what's in store appears to be splendid for the cash as much as the help from financial backers. The specialized investigation additionally reveals insight into the future cost gauge. BSV as a token has been making dynamic developments in the cryptographic money market. Recorded on most of trades, the symbolic shows a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is presently having a volume course of $46,641,514.92 on the lookout. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of the token has weighted around $44. The specialists have fluctuated sentiments in regards to the BSV cost expectation for what's in store. In light of the BSV cost forecast, a drawn-out revision is normal. The cost guess for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Most extreme cost $28.87. Lease cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost gauge toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost, yet it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enlisting moderate force, in spite of the fact that, There was a slight recuperation from February 2022, yet from that point forward, the coin has enrolled a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged respectably. At present, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign, yet the cost is as yet exchanging underneath $46. As per the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other digital forms of money. Actually, take a look at here are other long-haul cryptographic money forecasts. BSV coin value expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments loaded with good faith. The valued resource would ascend to a future cost of any place between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV figure. Bitcoin SV value figure 2024. In the realm of digital currencies like BSV, there could be a gauge of supernatural occurrences, and there could be enchantment in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. It wouldn't be an embellishment that the BSV digital currency could break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV value forecast 2025 with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025. As the reception of BSV would develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As per our BSV cost forecast 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118 separately. BSV expectation 2026. In view of the BSV cost conjecture, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the start towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded digital currency cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV expectations 2027. According to the BSV cost figure 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at least expense of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $156. Bitcoin SV value expectation 2028. In light of the Bitcoin SV cost expectation 2028, the BSV cost is anticipated to cross $165 by year's end. In the meantime, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at any rate level of $158 this year. The most extreme cost might reach $168. BSV coin value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according